In a world where e-bikes have established themselves as the go-to mode of transportation for city commutes and leisurely rides through the park, Lectric has boldly defied expectations with the introduction of their latest model, the XPeak. This innovative e-bike isn't just another addition to their product lineup, it's a genuine paradigm shift for the brand, traditionally known for its urban electric folding bikes. The XPeak stands apart from Lectric's previous offerings, with a complete departure from the foldable frames that characterized their previous models. Instead, it embraces a rugged and robust structure that reflects the aesthetics of a mountain bike. This bold departure from the status quo caters to adventure enthusiasts who crave versatility and all-terrain capabilities. The bike is developed to conquer more than just well-paved city streets, thanks to its front suspension fork and chunky 4-inch wide fat tires, making it well-suited for off-road escapades. But it's not just about appearances and off-road readiness. The XPeak delivers exceptional performance as well. The heart of this beast is a potent 750-watt hub motor, capable of a peak output of 1,310 watts. What does this translate to for the everyday rider? A top speed of 28 miles per hour, and the flexibility to operate in Class 1, 2, or 3 modes, ensuring you're always in control of your riding experience. Perhaps even more impressive is the Stealth M24 motor's ability to operate almost silently, ensuring that the serene ambience of your off-road adventures remains undisturbed by mechanical noises. The XPeak doesn't compromise on convenience either. The integrated 48-volt 14-ampere-hour battery not only fits seamlessly into the frame, but is also easily removable for hassle-free charging. On those days when you're not in the mood for pedaling, the e-bike features a thumb throttle that can transform it into a mini electric motorbike, providing you with an effortless ride. Safety is a top priority with the XPeak. It features a 7-speed derailleur drivetrain for seamless gear changes, and powerful hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping, ensuring that your ride is both reliable and secure. To underscore its commitment to quality and safety, this e-bike has undergone rigorous ISO M42-1010 testing, meeting the highest industry standards that even premium brands strive to achieve. In summary, Lectric's XPeak e-bike is a bold departure from the norm, redefining what's possible in the world of electric bikes. With its rugged appearance, all-terrain capabilities, potent motor, and a strong emphasis on safety and convenience, it's a testament to Lectric's commitment to pushing the boundaries of e-bike technology and providing riders with an exciting and reliable mode of transportation for all their adventures, both on and off-road. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.